What sport do you play?
I play ping pong.
Ping pong, very good. What sport do you play?
I play hockey.
Hockey? Well done. I need a
Track.
for volleyball. Wrong or right?
One.
Wrong. Okay. I need a
Helmet.
helmet for cycling. Wrong or right?
White.
What sport is it?
Golf.
What do I need?
That one.
What I don't need?
That one.
What are they?
Those are things.
Diving fins? Check in. Okay. What sport is it?
Baseball.
Where's the baseball?
Here.
Okay, check in. Yes. What sport is it?
Basketball.
Check. What sport do you play? I
Play basketball.
play basketball. Yes, very good.